Thank you for watching this short but important video. Did you know that Facebook is one of the most popular places people turn to when they're searching for a business like yours? And that's good news, if your company already has a Facebook page. But here's the catch: Facebook gives priority to showing the pages of businesses that have active pages. To Facebook, an active page means a new post every day. In other words, if you're not posting to your page every day, your potential clients probably aren't going to see your page when they do their search, and that means a loss of income for your business. Your Facebook business page needs new posts every day. But how do you do it, when you're busy taking care of your current clients and visiting with prospective new clients? Don't worry, because at Yazoogle, we will keep your Facebook page current by posting informative tips and suggestions to your page every day for a small monthly fee. So, if you want potential clients to see your Facebook page instead of your competitors' pages, just give us a call and we'll have your Facebook posting service up and running within 2 days. We look forward to hearing from you and welcoming you as a new customer. Visit our website at yazoogle.com.au.